Hello everyone, this is LKR Soap and Such, and I wanted to make sure that you saw the results of the sea salt spa soap that we made about 7 days ago that actually looked like mud when we poured it into our molds. And this is the results of that experiment that I had. And those are the ones, these are the ingredients that go in them. Of course, it's still curing right now. And I wanted to share the other sea salt soaps that I make. This one in particular is one that I added green tea leaves to at the very end after trace before I poured it. And when I first poured it, it did not actually show this coloration, but as the bar dried, it dried taking on the coloration of the green tea leaves and absorbed them. And each bar is unique and curiously different in terms of how it looks, but I thought that that was pretty interesting for that to take place. And then, of course, the other one that I have made is my plain sea salt spa soap, which has just my olive, coconut, vegetable castor, shea butter, and sea salt in it. So those are the results of the different sea salt soaps that I've made. And I just wanted to make sure that I shared that, because when I talked about pouring it, I wanted a dark color. And well, the dark color did not come from the tea solution. It's been darker when I've actually added tea leaves at the end of my trace before I poured my soap. Please stay tuned, because I would like to possibly do another video in the near future. I've had different people asking me about my kombucha SCOBY soap, so I'm thinking I'm going to make another batch of that. And when I do, I would like to share that with everybody, so you can see that process as well. So thank you for sticking with me, and I trust that you have enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe and share, and please comment, because I love interacting with everyone. Thank you, and you guys have a great day. Bye.